Hello, next community. I thought I'd show you a little trick I learned. Okay, so a lot of this writing on here is microscopic, but often embossed on the circuit board. We can zoom in with our cameras now. And you can kind of get an idea of what the jumpers are. I'll have to see if this one is listed on the other side. Maybe they've got jumpers up here listed. Okay, so on this particular one, let's see if they put them on this side. Okay. Well, we got your model number, and I am surprised if they don't have. Let me just grab this other one here because I can show you. Okay. Here is an example. This is a quantum fireball. They just need to find it here. We're going to scooch over. What am I doing here? Okay, come back this way. Oh my God. Here, let's zoom out. That makes sense. Okay, zoom out and zoom in. There, that's what I'm looking for. So you can see the, let's see if I can get my finger in here now. So the A0, 1, and 2, those are your jumper settings for your SCSI drives. So all three blank, that means SCSI ID 0, jumped on the first pin on that 0, sets it to 1, and you can kind of toggle, so 1 through 6 there. The next two are for sending a signal to the drive to start up. And I believe the fifth one is for termination, and usually you have a termination jumper on there. Now, from experience, I know this other drive, because all Seagate drives are set up this way, that was a quantum fireball. Let's see if I can zoom out. And usually they mark them. I don't know why they didn't here. They had room to. Maybe it's on the board. Nope, I'm not seeing it. Maybe it's potentially on the side of that. Nope, I'm not seeing it. So, I know the two on, let's see here, if I can get my finger in there again. Zoom out. That'll make it easier. Okay, so the two on this end, you want terminated because it's termination power to the bus and the drive. And then I think there's another one down here. I want to say it's the second or third one that is for sending a signal to start the drive. So I think there was either 2 or 3 jumpers on this to get it to work. This one didn't have any, which is surprising. And then I believe up here you're going to have 0, 1, and 2 on this end to set your drive. So 0 or 1 is usually pretty good for a boot drive. And I'm going to set it to 6 so I can see what's on this drive. And I'll probably do a fresh install of it. If there's any good software, I'll just kind of copy it over and save it, because sometimes you have these one-off software packages from 35, 40 years ago that someone developed. Kind of cool nostalgia. So I kind of create a little archive of that stuff. All right, so I thought that would be kind of cool to show you a little bit about jumpers. There's also sometimes termination jumpers on some drives. Little fit in here. They look like little tiny combs. And you need to have them set for next step, so you just kind of put them in place. I'll show you, make a video on that later too, because some of you still dealing with the legacy hard drives probably have questions about that type of stuff. Hope that helps somebody out there, and stay tuned. More fun stuff to come from the black hole.